Welcome to Mueller. We've been providing metal building solutions made in the USA since 1931. From storage spaces to barns, steel buildings can give you a cost-efficient, durable solution when you need a structure. The way we operate may seem a little different than other steel suppliers. That's because we like to work directly with the people who are actually going to be using the building. Customers like you. But is a steel building right for you? Let's take a look at our easy step-by-step process to find out. First things first, make sure you're allowed to build on your property. Check with your city and county code departments or neighborhood HOA to see if there are any restrictions or guidelines concerning steel buildings. Good to go? Well, the next step is the design process. The first thing we need to know is what you'll use the building for. That's how we determine specifications like how tall should it be, how much square footage is needed, how many doors, and what size they need to be. Your Mueller salesperson can be a great help in answering these questions. Next step, making sure the design will work, which can get kind of technical. We have to figure out things like where the building will be located and external forces such as wind and rain. Most areas have engineering code requirements that we'll need to know. Sometimes this phase means the design has to be reworked, and that's okay. It's just all part of the process. Okay, so you found out you can build a steel structure where you live. You know what the local codes are, and you know what you need in a building. Now you want to know how much it will cost, right? There are a couple of ways to do this. You can use the estimating tool on our website to get a rough idea. For an exact cost, just give us a call. We'll also help with color selection and accessories, such as insulation, doors, or windows. The next step is to place your order. You'll get a purchase agreement outlining the project specifications. Once that's signed and you've made a 25% deposit, your building is on its way to becoming a reality. We'll be in constant contact with drawing approvals and scheduling of delivery. If any questions come up, we're just a phone call away. Need some help paying for your new Mueller building? We have affordable financing options for your project. The building phase is where you really begin to see your vision become reality. Selecting a qualified erector is a crucial part of this. You'll have a lot of options to choose from, so before you sign a contract, make sure you've done your research, checked references, and verified licenses. Once a delivery date has been set, there are some things you've got to do. Get your site ready by clearing the area of trash and debris. Make sure there's plenty of room for our truck to get in and out with a clear area to unload and stack material. And keep an eye on the weather. If your materials arrive well before construction begins, you'll need to keep everything covered and safe from the elements. If you notice any discrepancies between your order and what's delivered, please contact your Mueller representative immediately. It all adds up to bring you the moment you've been waiting for. Seeing your dream building become a reality. We hope this helps as you plan your Mueller metal building project. Place your trust in a company that will be here for you today and tomorrow. To find out more about who we are and what we do, give us a call.